Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve the gear cube. Now this is sort of like a 3x3, but I will not require you how to solve the 3x3 because solving it is actually very much easier than solving a 3x3. Once you first do it and first get the hang of it, you should be able to do it in under 45 seconds easily. With a little practice, you should be able to get it under 30 seconds. And then close down to 20 seconds within like 2 days. So really this is not a hard puzzle to solve because how you have to move it, because you have to move it twice, because if you move it just 90 degrees you can't turn it. Because the parity, if you solve one side, it solves the other side. And then basically, so all you have to do is solve one side and then you solve the entire cube. So it's really that simple. So first things first, you're just going to mix it up, or in your guys' case, it's probably already mixed up. Now, no, I did come up with this own method myself because I was actually watching another tutorial and it got a little confusing. So what I did is I sat down and I kind of based algorithms off of it, but changed it so that it was a lot easier and then added a few steps. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a set of colors that's got two right next to each other. Like here's black and yellow, because yellow is opposite of black. Because always, when you have it, the opposite colors will be together or it'll just be one solid color. So here we go. We have black and yellow, so we'll start by solving the black side. Now as you can see, these two corners, you don't have to worry about the centerpiece right now. These two corners are not supposed to go next to each other, because see how this is red and see how this is orange? So that's not supposed to go there. So what you have to do is you have to find the other red piece, which is right here, and you have to flip it up here. But as you can see, that's not over there. So you're just going to flip this bottom layer over and then flip it up just like that. You just have to go down and then move it 180 degrees up. Okay? Now once you do that, the other 2x2 will already form. It may be over here depending on what your situation is. But all you have to do is move it over and then move it up, and it'll automatically pair up. Now you may have things already in place like this. So once you have the four corners, what you're going to worry about is these edge pieces. Now these edge pieces are in place already, okay? Don't necessarily worry about these center pieces yet, and if you have them efforts, then you're just going to have to play around with it until you get to it. Now what you have to do on the bottom here is find the other two if they're not up here. Now you can see that these two have to go up here. And if you have it like this, where see how the red lines up with the red here, or the red corners, so red corners, you do not want it like that. You want it to be opposite of each other. So orange, red. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the right side 360 degrees, and there you go. You should have it so it's like that, but these center pieces may not be black. You may have it like this, where all four of these center pieces are flipped incorrectly. As you can see, the black are on the side. Now what you want to do when you have this, you want to make sure that the side that you need to fix is facing towards you, and you are going to, it's not really an algorithm as much as it is just a set of moves. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to turn the right side and then the up side. You want to turn it so like clockwise 180 degrees and then this clockwise 180 degrees, and then you're just going to do that a total of 3 times. So that was 1, 2, 3. And there you go. If you have it so that the pieces are flipped, like if they were already up here but they're flipped, like see how it's black and orange, black and red, but see the black and red is on the black and orange, and then the black and orange is on the black and red. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the right side 180 degrees, doesn't matter which way, and then what you're going to do with the bottom layer is turn it 180 degrees, just like that, and then bring it back up to another 360 degree turn, and then just like that. That'll switch the two pieces, just like that. Now if you see that when they're in place like this, when they're in the right place, but only two of them are flipped, you're going to have it so that those two are on the lateral side. And to make sure that these two pieces are on the vertical side, and you're going to do this small algorithm. It's basically just you turn the right side towards you, and then the down side to the left, and you're going to do that total of 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And once you do that, you should have it flipped correctly. Now if they are in the wrong place, like let's say the black and orange is over here, like let's say it's like this, where see it's black and orange, and then see black and red, and the pieces are flipped correctly. What you're going to do is you're just going to flip these two, and then flip it so that the black's in the center. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to do the 360, flip on the bottom, another 360 so that they're in the correct place, but then these two need to be switched, so you need to do the right, down, right, down, right, down. And there you go. You should have, and once you do that, you should basically just be a few turns away from, all you need to do is turn the sides that the gears don't line up on. There you go. You have solved the gear cube. Now another parity that might happen is this parity, where you solve, let's say you solve the blue side first, and see how there's a green in the center? That means if you have a red here, that means this will also be flipped, so that these 4 will be flipped incorrectly. Now this is very, very simple to fix. So for this, you're just going to make sure that the solve sides are on the left and the right. And what you're going to do is you're going to do an upturn clockwise, and then you're going to do you're going to move the right side 360 degrees. Then you're going to move the top side counterclockwise 180 degrees, and then move this just like that. And there you go. You should have solved the gear cube. Hope this tutorial was very, very helpful to you solving the gear cube, and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe above so that you can see how to solve all 33 of my other puzzles. And so yeah, have a nice day.